Hey Mavericks! Welcome back to the Job Search Maverick. Let me ask you, have you ever started the year pumped up, full of energy, ready to crush your goals, only to feel completely burned out, overwhelmed, and stuck just weeks later? You're not alone. This is the moment that makes or breaks people. Some push through and achieve their dreams. Others, they give up again. And that's when the cycle of stress, guilt, and self-doubt takes over. But here's the truth. You are capable of success. You're not failing because you're not good enough. You're stressed because the journey is hard. And stress is a sign that you need to reset, refocus, and keep going. In today's video, we'll cover the 5 powerful strategies to beat stress and stay on track, how to stop negative thought patterns from holding you back, why your plans might be failing and how to fix them, the secret to managing expectations for long-term success, the #1 habit that restores your motivation and energy instantly. If you've been feeling like you're not making progress, or worse, thinking of quitting, this video is for you. Let's get into it. Step 1. Reprogram your mindset. The #1 cause of stress? Negative thought patterns. If you're constantly telling yourself, I'm not good enough, nothing is working, maybe I should just quit, stop! These thoughts are lies. Every successful person has felt stressed, overwhelmed, and doubtful. The difference? They didn't let it define them. And you won't either. Your mindset determines your success. So let's rewire it. Identify your negative thoughts. Replace them with truth-based affirmations, statements about yourself that you know are true. Say them daily until they become your reality. For example, instead of saying, I'm not good enough, say, I am capable, I am learning, I am making progress every single day. Pro tip: rewire your brain and watch how your confidence skyrockets. Step 2. Identify the real problem. Stress is not just about working hard. It's often about hitting roadblocks you don't know how to overcome. Ask yourself, what's the stickiest point in my plan? Am I being realistic with my goals? Do I have the right support system in place? Sometimes we create perfect plans on paper, but they fall apart in reality because we didn't account for external challenges, lack of resources, or unrealistic timelines. Pro tip: get a fresh perspective. Ask a mentor, coach, or trusted friend to review your plan. They might see something you've missed. Step 3. Replan the plan. Let's be real. Life doesn't care about your plans. The economy shifts. Job markets change. Unexpected challenges arise. So, instead of clinging to a rigid plan, be flexible and adapt. Successful people don't quit, they adjust. Keep your goal the same, but tweak the path as needed. Pro tip: treat every setback as feedback, not failure. This mindset shift alone will eliminate 80% of your stress. Step 4. Manage expectations. Like a pro, ever met someone who buys a lottery ticket and immediately starts planning their millionaire lifestyle? That's how some people set goals. They expect instant success, and when reality hits, they crumble. Reality check: success is a long game. Instead of setting vague, unrealistic goals, use the SMART goal method. Specific: know exactly what you want. Measurable: track your progress. Achievable: be realistic about your timeline. Relevant: align your goals with your values. Time-bound: set deadlines but stay flexible. Pro tip: expecting an overnight success is setting yourself up for stress. Expect the journey and you'll handle it like a pro. Step 5. Rest equals reset. Let's be honest. You can't hustle your way through burnout. Stress affects your mind, body, and emotions. It leads to sleepless nights, exhaustion, and mental fog. And worst of all, it makes you want to quit. The solution? Rest. And no, rest doesn't always mean doing nothing. It means intentional recharging. Pro tip: take a walk in nature, read a book, meditate or journal, spend time with loved ones. Rest is not a waste of time. It's a power move. When you reset, you come back stronger, sharper, and ready to win. Mavericks, let's get real. If you're feeling stuck right now, you have 2 choices. Give up and stay in the same cycle. Take a deep breath, adjust your plan, and keep pushing forward. You already have what it takes. The stress you feel? That's just part of the journey. But now, you have the tools to handle it. So, which tip resonated with you the most? Drop a comment below. If this video helped you, please remember to like this video. It helps spread this message. Share this with someone who needs to hear this today. And do subscribe to the Job Search Maverick channel. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a success tip. Coming soon. Courses on topics just like these videos, but in depth and with more practical information to help you get knowledgeable and increase your understanding of how to succeed with your personal and professional growth and development ambitions. The website is still a work in progress, but will be ready for your access soon. Please bear with me and keeping watching the videos on this channel to aid your journey. I'm Raya, your host in these videos, and it has been my pleasure guiding you through this topic in this video. Mavericks, you've got this! Keep going, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next video. Let's make this happen.